Hello dear students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Before we begin our class, let's see what you are going to learn today. You will be able to read the picture given. Describe the picture in your own words. Use new words in your conversations. Listen to the narrative and connect it to the story. Complete the textual exercises. Today, I am here with a new lesson. Are you all ready, children? That's fantastic. I hope you have enjoyed the previous digital lessons, haven't you? Yes, we all have really learned so many things. Today also, you are going to enjoy a wonderful lesson. Are you all ready for that? Yes, I know you are eagerly waiting for that. Okay, children, now I am going to show you a picture. మీరు ఆ పిక్చర్ను జాగ్రత్తగా గమనించి అందులో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చెప్తారు కదూ. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, లెట్స్ సీ ద పిక్చర్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ పిక్చర్ అబౌట్? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ రూమ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ హౌస్. ఓకే డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, మీకు ఈ పిక్చర్లో ఏమేమి కనబడుతున్నాయి చెప్పండి. Yes, you can see clothes. What else you can see in this picture, dear students? Yes, a table. Next, books. Very good. ఇంకేమేం కనబడుతున్నాయి పిల్లలు చెప్పండి. Pens. That's right. Next, oh, a colorful ball. నెక్స్ట్ ఎ డాల్. మీరందరు డాల్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం కదూ. ఓకే డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇంకేమేమి ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, బాగా పరిశీలించండి. ఎ బ్యాట్. దాట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్. వీ ప్లే క్రికెట్ విత్ బ్యాట్, అండ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ఎ బాల్ ఆల్సో. నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, వాట్ ఎల్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ? అన్ ఇంక్ బాటిల్. నవడేస్ వీఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ ఇంక్ బాటిల్ మచ్, బట్ ప్రీవియస్లీ వీ యూస్ టు fill ink in pens. Okay children, ఇంకేమేం కనబడుతున్నాయి చెప్పండి. Yes, doormat. Next children, yeah, there is a door. Next, on the top there is a bulb. So children, there are so many things in the room and you all named them. Okay children, what else you can see? ఇంకేమేం ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. Yes, there is a shelf. So, మీరు ఇప్పటి వరకు చాలా వస్తువులు ఇందులో చూశారు కదా. Now, keywords. So, I would like to tell you some keywords. The same words you are going to look on the screen. Clothes, a table, books, pens, a ball, a doll, a bat, an ink bottle, doormat, a door, a bulb, a shelf. So these are the keywords that you see in this picture. Okay children, just now you have seen different things in this picture. We all use these things in every day. Okay students, now tell me, what things do you have in your house? Do you have some of these things at your home? మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వస్తువుల పేర్లు మీరు చెప్పగలుగుతారా? Okay, one of our students says like this. Shall we watch the video of the student telling about different things? Here is the video for you.
These are my clothes I wear every day. This is a table, I study on this. These are my books, I study them. These are my pens, I write with them. This is my ball, I play with it. This is my doll, it's my favorite. This is my bat, I play cricket. This is my ink bottle, I use blue ink. This is our door, now it's open. This is a bulb, it's glowing.
Can you name things like this? Try with things at your home. Okay children, now I will show you another picture. Let's look at that. This is picture number 2. So how is this picture, dear students? What is the difference between the first picture and the second picture? Yes, you are right. This picture is very neat, clean and tidy. Okay, dear students, what else you can see in this picture? Yes, you can see the same things, but they are neatly arranged, organized. Okay, children, see, look at the clothes. They are folded very well and kept in the shelf, and all the pens are collected and kept in the pen stand, and you can see all the books arranged on the table, and then you can see all the toys and kept in the toys box, and bat and ball are kept at the corner. So this room is neatly arranged. And do you like this room, dear children? Yes, we all like to stay in such beautiful, neat, tidy and clean room. In the first picture, the room is totally messy with many things, and the things are thrown everywhere, and it's looking so dirty. Is that a good room? No, not at all. Right. It's because the things are thrown everywhere, and it's so messy, and it's looking so bad. Do you know, no one likes to stay in such dirty rooms? పిల్లలు, మీకు ఎలాంటి రూమ్ ఇష్టము? మంచిగా నీట్గా అరేంజ్ అయిన రూమ్ ఇష్టం కదా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ టెల్ మీ చిల్డ్రన్, హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ హౌస్? ఈజ్ యువర్ హౌస్ మెస్సీ లైక్ ద ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్, or clean, neat and tidy like the second picture? If it is messy, dirty and bad, you must make it clean, neat and tidy. మీరు పిల్లలు మీ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్కు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు కదూ? I know. You will all help and keep your house clean, neat and tidy. Okay, dear children, now look at the both pictures together. Come, let's see. Now children, look at this picture, picture number 1 and picture number 2. You have both pictures. What is the difference between these two pictures? Picture number 1 is messy, untidy and dirty. Very good children. Now tell about picture number 2. It's neat, tidy and clean. So picture number 1 we all dislike because it's messy, untidy and dirty. కదా పిల్లలు? పిక్చర్ నెంబర్ 1 అంటే మీకు ఇష్టమా? లేదు కదూ? ఓకే, సో పిక్చర్ నెంబర్ 1, I don't like this room. Okay, and picture number 2, we all like this room. Okay, what will you say then? I like this room. కదా పిల్లలు, మీకు పిక్చర్ నెంబర్ 2 అంటే చాలా ఇష్టము. తర్వాత మీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఈ విధంగా శుభ్రంగా ఉంచుకోవాలి. విచ్ రూమ్ డు యూ లైక్? ఎస్, యూ లైక్ పిక్చర్ నెంబర్ 2. ద రూమ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ పిక్చర్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇట్స్ నీట్, క్లీన్, tidy and pleasant. We feel good in neat rooms. Very good children, you did a great job. Now I will show you a picture of which you need to say a few lines. Here you go. Look at the picture given below. Write a few sentences about the picture. Now you have a beautiful room picture. Okay, can you say few words and sentences, dear students? Okay, చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. Very good. This is a short sentence. I like this room. మీకందరికీ ఈ రూమ్ అంటే ఇష్టం కదూ? This room is neat, tidy and clean. Very good children. I like to keep my house like this. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటో చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. Every day I clean my house. It's really a very good habit. I will help my parents every day. This is really a wonderful thing. I like to live in this house. మనం అందరం కూడా మంచిగా ఉన్న ఇంట్లో ఉండాలనుకుంటాం కదూ. That's really very good. Now you have told many sentences about a neat, tidy and clean room. That was really great. Here you can add your own sentences too. I would like to show you another picture. Are you ready? Come on, let's see this beautiful scene. Okay, dear students. Now there is a beautiful picture. Can you all recognize it? Yes, it's a very familiar place to you. మీరందరూ ఈ యొక్క ప్లేస్ను చాలా ఇష్టపడతారు కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ చిల్డ్రన్? ఎస్, అ స్కూల్. యు ఆల్ లైక్ స్కూల్ వెరీ మచ్. మీరందరూ స్కూల్ను చాలా ఇష్టపడతారు. చూడండి పిల్లలు, అక్కడ కొంతమంది పిల్లలు ఆడుకుంటున్నారు, కొంతమంది ఏమో మరి గేట్ దగ్గర ఉన్నారు, కొంతమంది గేట్ బయట ఉన్నారు. వాట్ ఎల్స్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ పిక్చర్ డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? ఎస్, యూ క్యాన్ సీ స్టూడెంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేమేమి కనబడుతున్నాయో చెప్పండి. ఎస్, ఎ ట్రీ, వాల్. ఓ, దేర్ ఈజ్ ఎ కాంపౌండ్ వాల్. ద స్కై, యా, వీ కుడ్ సీ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లూ స్కై. నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఇంకేమేమి ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి, మీరే ముందు చెప్పాలి. ఎస్, ఎ ప్లే గ్రౌండ్. వేర్ ఆర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్కూల్? స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు దేర్ హోమ్స్. దట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, జస్ట్ నౌ you have seen the school picture with many students. How are they looking? They are looking happy with smiling faces. Do you want to know more about them? Okay, dear students, now you came to know who are there in this picture. In this story, there are 3 close friends. ఆ 3 close friends గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలని మీకు లేదా? Okay children, I will tell you. Look at this picture, students. Yes, ఈ పిక్చర్లో ఎవరెవరు కనబడుతున్నారు? Yes, there are 3 girls. And where are they going? They are going back to their homes. Very good. Now, can you identify them? Do you know their names? So, Radha, Sita and Sanya. So, they are good friends. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, మీరు కూడా మీ స్కూల్లో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో బాగా ఆడుకుంటారు కదా. నౌ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద 3 girls ఇన్ ద పిక్చర్ ఆర్ సీత, రాధా, సానియా. వెరీ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్. హూ ఆర్ దే? దే ఆర్ క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. దే ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ స్కూల్. ఎస్, మీకు లాగానే ఇక్కడ కూడా దే ఆర్ గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఐ వాంట్ టు షో యూ ద వీడియో ఆఫ్ ద 3 friends. Now, dear children, tell me, who are your best friends? Can you tell a few names? That's really good. ఈ 3 children గురించి మీరు ఎక్కువగా తెలుసుకోవాలని లేదా? Now, tell me students. Yes, you all like to know more about these 3 students. Then, you must listen to this beautiful story without any delay. స్టోరీ వినాలని ఉంది కదా పిల్లలు? కమాన్, ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు మరి? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? Yes, it's a government primary school. The school bell rang. Tring, 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 tring. Where are they going? They are going back home. It was evening. The school bell rang. Tring, 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 tring. Sita and her friends were coming out of the school gate. Why did they ring the bell in the evening? Can anyone tell? Yes, because it's a closing time of the school. మీకందరికీ క్లోజింగ్ టైం అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం కదూ? Because it's a bell to go home and you can play in the evening with your friends. That's really good. That's why you all like the last bell. Now tell me, students, where are they going? They are going back to their homes. Okay, students, you need to look at this picture once again. Sita, Radha, and Sanya. Friends, will you come to my house to play? Yes, I will come, Sita, said Radha. I will also come, Sita, said Sanya. Come, let's go and play. ఇంట్లో మళ్ళా మీరు వీటిని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఇలాంటి సెంటెన్సెస్ మీరు కూడా చెప్పాలి. What did you observe in the video? What did Sita ask her friends? Sita asked her friends to come to her house. Why did Sita want her friends to come? To play with her. Very good. What did Radha and Sanya say? Can you tell, children? Cheppandi chuddam. They said yes. How did Sita feel? Sita felt very happy. Okay, students, you read very well. You all did a great job. I appreciate your effort. Come on, let's watch what's going on at home. At home, Sita quickly changed her dress and left the uniform on the cot. Took out her books from the school bag and began writing her homework. Now, where is Sita? Yes, you are right. She came home from the school. Okay, dear children, you too change your school dress when you go back your home, don't you? Yes, it's a good habit. So, what did Sita do after going back home? Let's see. Sita quickly changed her dress. Why did Sita do her homework quickly? She wants to finish her homework. She wants to play. Dear children, finishing homework was a part of her timetable. You too have your own timetable after going home from school. Don't you, children? Okay, students. While Sita is writing her homework, what happened? Do you want to know? Let's watch. Then Radha and Sanya came. Sita left her books on the floor and spread all the toys around. Sita, Radha, and Sanya started playing.
Hi, Sita. Hi, Radha and Sanya. Come, come. Come, come, let's play.
Now tell me, students, why did Radha and Sanya come to Sita's house? They came to play with Sita. What are Sita, Radha, and Sanya playing with? They are playing with toys. Very good. Sita, Radha and Sanya are playing with toys. But how would it be to play with words? Have you ever played with words, children? Yes, it's a language game and they just started to play. Let's watch what happened while Sita, Radha and Sanya playing. Suddenly, they looked out of the window. It was growing dark. Radha said, Sita, it's getting dark. We will go home. Okay, bye. Good night, said Sita.
Oh, Sita, it's getting dark. We have to go home.
Yes, Sita, it's getting dark. We will go home.
Bye. Bye, Sita. Bye. 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 Good night. Bye. Good night. Bye-bye.
Why did Sita's friends go away without playing the word game? Because it's getting dark and they need to go home. What would Sita do after her friends went back home? She started playing the word game. Let's look at that. Fun with words. Make words using the endings given. Okay, children? ఇందులో పైన మనకు an, an, at, at, in, in, it, it, un, un అని ఉంది కదా, వాటికి మనము b, f, r, p, s ఈ లెటర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు కొత్త వర్డ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ వర్డ్ గేమ్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see, children. fan, fan, ran, ran, pan, pan, bat, bat. Very good. Next, children, చెప్పండి. fat, fat, rat, rat, pat, pat. Very good, children. sat, sat. Very good. Next, bin, bin. Next చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. fin, fin. Very good. rin, rin. Very good. pin, pin. Next, sin, sin. Next, nice, children. చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. అలాగే చదవండి. bit, bit, fit, fit, pit, pit, sit, sit, bun, bun. Very good. fun, fun, run, run, pun, pun, and sun, sun. చాలా బాగా చదివారు పిల్లలు. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ లెట్ us look at some new keywords from this lesson. I'll explain with nice pictures. ఒక మంచి పిక్చర్ కనబడుతుంది, అదేంతో మీరు గెస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్, చిల్డ్రన్? కెన్ యూ గెస్? ఎస్, ఈవినింగ్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్, చిల్డ్రన్? ఎస్, a uniform. What is this, children? That's good. Cot. Next, what is this? Can you guess? Dark. What is this? Can you guess? A window. What is this? Tell me, children. Yes, floor. Now let us look what homework Sita was writing. Look at her books. Things at home. Where do you keep them? Okay, students? మరి ఇక్కడ క్లోత్స్ షెల్ఫ్ అని ఉన్నది. అంటే క్లోత్స్ వి కీప్ ఇన్ ద షెల్ఫ్. అలాగే చెప్పండి పిల్లలు. టాయ్స్. వేర్ డు వి కీప్ అవర్ టాయ్స్? ఎస్, ఇన్ ద టాయ్స్ బాక్స్. నెక్స్ట్, చిల్డ్రన్, బుక్స్. వేర్ డు వి కీప్ అవర్ బుక్స్? వి కీప్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాగ్, షెల్ఫ్ and table. Next, children, pens. Where do we keep our pens? Yeah, we keep on the table, we keep in the box, and we keep in the bag. Doormat. Where do we put the doormat? Yes, at the door. Very good, children. Okay, dear students. Finally, we have completed her homework. Sita has her own timetable, doesn't she? Yes, she has her own timetable. Okay, now you need to prepare a timetable for things you do in the evening. There is an incomplete timetable. Shall we fill this? Come on, let's fill up this. Okay, children, there is a timetable and it's incomplete. Shall we fill up this? Yes. 4:30 p.m. I change my clothes. At 5 p.m. ఏం చేస్తారు చెప్పండి? Very good. I wash my face, hands and legs. Next ఏం చేస్తారు పిల్లలు చెప్పండి? At 5:30 p.m. yes, I eat snacks and drink milk. At 6 p.m. guess చేయండి చూద్దాం. I go out to play. Very good, children. At 6:30 p.m. I do my homework. Okay, dear students, let's see what we have learned in this lesson. We talked about two pictures, namely a messy house and a neat house. We described the picture given. We heard a beautiful story of Sita and her friends. We read few new words and sentences. We have answered many questions. We did few exercises from our lesson. Okay, children, now what happened to Sita? She became alone at home. What would she do at home? Do you know? Who else are there along with her at home? Sometimes you also stay alone at your homes. కదా పిల్లలు? కొన్నిసార్లు పేరెంట్స్ లేనప్పుడు మీరు ఒంటరిగా ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు కదా. What will you do if you are alone at home? If you want to know more about Sita and her home, you need to wait for the next lesson. Don't miss it, children. That's all for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye.